Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is so cool. Hell yeah. Oh, let's test this out. Oh, it's got the old emergency light. Oh my God. Oh my God, this thing is sick. Oh, this thing is awesome. Huh. So much for the phone. Good thing I got my cell phone. There's your panel. Reliance. Now check this damn thing out. This is cool. Capacity is 1,500 pounds. All right, well, let's get rolling here. Oh, and it pre-doors too, just when I didn't think it could get any better. Oh. Oh my God, listen to this thing. Down to Ella. Don't do that. See the pre-door one more time. Now the doors aren't closing. Come on. There we go. Listen to those relays. Down. All right, see the leveling on the down direction. Awesome. Anyway, we're gonna listen to the motor. Anyway, here it goes. And sorry. That's it.